Hello, my friends. Welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm so really glad to have you back in this session, and also, hopefully, you are doing well over there, whatever you do, and wherever you go now. And also, over here, I'm really good as well. The look of my face so energetic, so isn't it? Okay. So come back to my daily activity. So usually I wake up at 6 a.m. at the morning, and the first thing I do is go to the Bible for a couple of minutes, and after that I go to the bathroom, washing my face to keep my face energetic and feels wake, and also make a cup of coffee. And honestly, got some coffee at the morning makes me uh, feel good, and also things clear, a clear thing. Yeah. At the moment, I'm improving my English little by little, especially about speaking practice and also communication skill. And so normally I used to practice my English in the front of camera, and then and after that I normally get ready for work. In the day to work, I'm usually think about my goal, what I want in my future, and also normally in my day of in a day, and also uh, in a way of work, and also on my way work, and on my way, and also on my way work, and also on my way to work, I'm usually playing with item or the equipment on the road. So if I had seen something on the road, for instance, street light, probably there is under constructor on the road, um, flyover, building, and so on. So I'm usually I practice my English and describe it out loud on my mind, and sometimes um, practice it out loud by my mouth. Yeah. Okay, now I'm heading to the robot, guys. But first of all, let me tell you a little bit one. So, as soon as I arrived at my workplace, I went to my working desk, and I sit between two of my coworkers that they are really great on their roles. Just glad to inform you about it. And also, guys, let's talking about robot. You know, nowadays, robot has been taking many spots over platform. What's platform? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok for the very, very popular, and so on. And I really enjoy guys about the robot, and hopefully this topic will be our main topic along this conversation, along this discussion round. And I don't know, guys, probably you are going to be silent or you're going to be off um, when I would ask you about the robot itself. So, for instance, I'm asking you, do you know the robot is? How the robot works? Yeah, so that's why I'm here. So I will address the robot. I will address the robot, how it works, what what is the meaning of the robot, and what uh what are robot made, and so on. So we are going to discuss many things in ahead. Hello everyone. I think this is normal day where you got many things to do. So for instance, I've got an assignment from my coworkers to arrange the one part. So the final for this one will be like this one. Yeah. So this is the final of the robot save. And I also uh, will sort aside from the those stuff, so those things, and then I will or create to be like this one. So I think it's better for me to record my series wall in the front of camera, and also this will be my documentation as a robotic engineering in my workplace, and also uh, okay, come and stay with me back.